Have you ever wondered why we sleep at night and stay awake during the day? It might seem like a simple question, yet the answer is far from it. It's not just about the rising and setting of the sun. Our bodies work like intricately designed clocks, regulating when we feel sleepy or alert. It's a fascinating mix of biology, environment, and even genetics. This internal ticking is not random. Instead, it follows a set pattern, much like the rhythm of a song. And just like every great song has a conductor leading the orchestra, our bodies have a system regulating these patterns. This system is known as the circadian rhythm. It's a term that might sound complex, but it's essentially a 24-hour internal clock running in the background of our brain, cycling between sleepiness and alertness at regular intervals. But you might ask, so what exactly is this circadian rhythm and why does it matter? The circadian rhythm, simply put, is our body's internal clock. This rhythm operates on a 24-hour cycle, playing a fundamental role in controlling our sleep-wake pattern as well as a host of other bodily functions. It's what nudges us towards sleep as the night deepens and rouses us awake as the day breaks. But it's not just about sleep. Our circadian rhythm also has a say in when we feel hungry, how our hormones are regulated, and even the fluctuations in our body temperature. The fascinating part about this internal clock is that it's not just set and forgotten. It's constantly being adjusted and influenced by the environment around us. The most significant environmental cue: light and darkness. Our circadian rhythm is attuned to the daily pattern of light and dark, adjusting our body's processes in sync with the rise and fall of the sun. As the sky darkens, our eyes send a signal to a part of our brain called the hypothalamus. And there, a tiny region called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN for short, gets into action. The SCN signals other parts of the brain that control hormones, body temperature, and other functions that play a role in making us feel sleepy or awake. For instance, it triggers the release of melatonin, a hormone that promotes sleep, when it's dark. During the day, the light inhibits the release of melatonin, nudging us into wakefulness and alertness. The circadian rhythm thus aligns our internal processes with the external environment, helping us make the most of our day. But it's not just about the daily grind. Over the long term, a well-regulated circadian rhythm helps maintain a balance in our body, promoting overall health and well-being. It affects our mood, our mental alertness, our metabolism, and even our immune response. Now that we understand what the circadian rhythm is, let's delve into why it's crucial for us. Our circadian rhythm plays a vital role in maintaining our health and well-being. This internal body clock, which operates on a roughly 24-hour cycle, influences a multitude of physiological processes. A well-regulated circadian rhythm can significantly enhance the quality of our sleep. When in sync, it helps us fall asleep faster, sleep more deeply, and wake up feeling refreshed and alert. Beyond sleep, our circadian rhythm also influences our mood. Regular patterns can help keep feelings of sadness, anxiety, and stress at bay, promoting overall mental well-being. It even extends its influence to our physical performance. Athletes, for example, often find their performance peaks at certain times of the day, directly correlating to their circadian rhythm. Moreover, a regular circadian rhythm can reduce the risk of numerous health issues. Heart disease, diabetes, obesity, all these can be kept at bay with a well-regulated internal clock. However, our modern lifestyle can often disrupt our circadian rhythm. Many factors can throw our circadian rhythm off balance. Let's take a closer look. Shift work, for instance, forces our bodies to adapt to irregular sleep-wake cycles, causing a mismatch between our internal clock and the external environment. The same goes for jet lag, which results from crossing multiple time zones rapidly. Exposure to artificial light at night, especially the blue light emitted by our digital devices, can trick our brains into thinking it's still daytime, delaying the release of sleep-inducing hormones. Likewise, inconsistent sleep schedules, such as staying up late on weekends, can cause what's known as social jet lag. These disruptions to our circadian rhythm can have profound health consequences. Sleep disorders, mental health issues, and even chronic illnesses like heart disease and diabetes have all been linked to a misaligned internal clock. Understanding and respecting our circadian rhythm is the key to better health and a better life.